The ABC 15 AccuWeather forecast.
And we start you off in the tropics today, taking a look over the Caribbean and the Atlantic basins. We see no tropical systems as of right now, with the exception of what's left of Tropical Storm Bertha, just the remnants off the east coast of New York. Currently right now, 50-mile-an-hour winds sustained, moving northeast at 31 miles an hour. But over on the eastern Pacific, we have two hurricanes right now, both of them heading towards the islands of Hawaii. Here we see Hurricane Iselle, current winds sustained at 90 miles an hour, moving west-northwest at 16 miles an hour. And hot on its tail, Hurricane Julio, that just became a hurricane today, 75-mile-an-hour winds moving west-northwest as well at 17 miles an hour. And like I said, both of these storms are heading towards the Hawaiian Islands. Hurricane Iselle forecasted to be a low-end Category 1 or a strong tropical storm, as it makes a direct impact to the islands of Hawaii. And then a few days later, into Sunday and Monday, we see Hurricane Julio skirting the islands just to the north. It all depends on this track, whether they get a direct hit or not. But as of right now, it looks like they're just going to get a lot of gusty winds and heavy rain. Around here in the city of Houston, as we take a live look right now outside under a clear sky, 90 degrees is your current temperature, but that feels like temperature still. 99 degrees with those dew points in the mid-70s. Out in the island of Galveston as well, as we take a live look off into the horizon, 88 degrees is your current temperature right now, but that feels like still in the triple digits, as over there near the water you have higher dew points of 78 degrees. And across most of our area for tomorrow, we are expecting another hot day down on the island of Galveston. 91 degrees, 94 out in Wharton, 95 in the city of Houston. And across most of the country, we see a lot of cloud cover in the northern regions, off towards Nebraska and South Dakota. And that's all because the jet stream has been shifted to the north. And that jet stream is what provides us with a lot of our storm and rain. All that has been shifted to the north because of high pressure building in the Four Corners region and building into the state of Texas. And that's why it's getting so hot around here. And as this high continues to build, it'll only get hotter into your weekend. As we see by Sunday, we're hitting 98 degrees here in the city of Houston, but we're keeping a rain chance Thursday through Saturday. Saturday's temperature 96. To start your work week, we're still hot around here, 98 degrees, but by Wednesday we introduce a chance of storms, 30%, with a high of 96 degrees. Hernandez with your afternoon weather forecast as we take a live look. Mega Doppler HD right now looking outside. No stormy activity to speak of, except for a little bit of shower activity we had earlier in the northeast section of Harris County. We had a little shower move on through Beltway 8 up towards the Humble area. That shower has since now weakened, as we expect with most of these storms that develop in the heat of the day. Outside right now, downtown Houston, clear, beautiful sky as we get ready for sunset. Current temperature here, 90 degrees. Feels like, though, 99 because of those high dew points in the mid-70s. Down on the island, though, a little bit of clouds overhead as we're getting ready for that beautiful sunset down near the water. 88 degrees there in the city of Galveston. Feels like temperature, though, still 101 degrees because, as I said, those higher dew points, but you have a little bit of a breeze to work with down there south-southeast at 11 miles an hour. Right now, across most of the area, 90 degrees here in the city of Houston, 89 in the city of Conroe, 91 up in College Station, 94 down in Victoria. For tomorrow, it'll be more of the same across most of the state, but right now, 97 in the city of Austin, 101 in Laredo. And for tomorrow, 101 across the I-35 corridor, 105 down in Laredo for tomorrow's high. And Friday doesn't get any better. 102 in the city of Austin, 101 Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Enrique Hernandez with your afternoon weather forecast. A lot of us had a few pockets of storms here in the city of Houston today, but as we take a live look outside, out towards the city of Columbus and Schulenburg, just to the west of Columbus along I-10, we see another pocket of those showers that still remain from earlier today. But as you can see, a lot of that is weakening. And off towards the western part of Harris County, we saw another line of showers also weakening at this hour. And off towards the north, another little cluster of showers from Badayas out towards Wixom Valley, also decreasing in intensity as most of these storms have lost most of that daytime heating. But outside right now, a beautiful sunset over the city of Houston. 84 degrees is your current temperature, with the feels like still in the lower 90s. Down in Galveston, where you see a beautiful sunset off in the distance, currently right now here, 85 degrees. Feels like temperature still in the 90s because of those dew points in the sultry 70s. But right now across most of the area, we're seeing 80s where we saw the rain, 83 in the city of Conroe, 84 in the city of Tomball. Where you didn't get any of the rain today, 91 still in Hallettsville, 88 in Bastrop, 84 in LaGrange. For your dose tonight, all of us dropping into the 70s, 76 here in the city of Houston, but 80 near the water. 76 out towards Katy as well. But tomorrow, another hot day in store for many of us. 94 degrees here in the city of Houston, 96 for Hallettsville and Victoria. And as we put future track into play, we see a lot of that shower activity decreasing as we go into the overnight hours. A little bit of scattered storms into your day tomorrow as we get another pulse of these downpours over our area. And the same thing will happen overnight Wednesday into Thursday, as Thursday for your rush hour a little bit cloudy, but by your evening rush hour we could be dodging. Tenemos esas temperaturas altas con el pronóstico de lluvia hasta sábado, pero mire, domingo y lunes subimos a 98 grados de temperatura antes que llegue un poco de lluvia, 30% para miércoles con la temperatura alta de 96.